fight. You're only human, yes I know. It's okay to be unsure.
Hey you guys, welcome back to the vlog. I got my little hair down today, y'all. I don't know. I don't really know about this hair. It's short, but, well, you see this color in the back? I kind of think it's crazy. But a lot of times I'll be forgetting about it. But it's there. But, I guess it's alright. My hair. But anyways, I'm finna get ready to take my mama to the doctor. Today's gonna be a busy day. Oh my word. I needed to dash, but I'm not gonna have time to do that. Gotta get the groceries and got the food started right now in the slow cooker. I got a pork loin, pork roast with potatoes in the slow cooker. And yeah, and I need to clean the kitchen. The kitchen's a mess. I just haven't had time for stuff, y'all. Okay. Yesterday I was busy. I had an appointment to go to, and I dashed a little. Then I came back, relaxed, and yeah, today is the day to do everything. Ooh, let me not hit the Corvette. I never showed y'all my brother's new Corvette, right? I got a clip of when he got it, but I was like, yeah, maybe I won't post it. But it's been a little while, so I probably could post it now. I'll probably show y'all the little clip. But anyways, let me finish getting ready, y'all. I'll be back. My brother just got a new car, a Corvette, y'all. Look at that bad boy. Yeah. Ooh.
I got the January 17th for the place coming. That bad boy tight, ain't it?
Yeah, that's nice.
Gotta get the windows tinted.
What does it say?
You haven't seen it, but he'll see it.
He'll see it Thanksgiving. Or you'll go tomorrow.
No, I ain't going because it's raining.
Alright, y'all, so this is loud in here, but this is weird because I am back at the gym for the first time since before the pandemic. So let's see how this goes. I'm actually in here and nothing has changed. Everything's the same. Alright, y'all, so I am out of the gym. Wow. Felt good to be back in the gym for the first time after COVID. Girl, and I still was scared to be up in there. I can't exercise with a mask because then I'll be done passed out. I can barely breathe with it on, not exercising. So I didn't have a mask on, so I'm kind of scared. One person had a mask on, an old man that was in there. But it was nice. It was not many people in there at all because it's early. It was 6:30 in the morning when I started. So I only did 30 minutes and did a little bit over a mile and burnt a little bit over 100 calories. So thumbs up for me. So that was cool, y'all. That was cool or whatnot. So I did it. I'm getting back in the hang of things. So, y'all, this is the original gym that I originally ever started working out at. The original Planet Fitness. I started in 2017. I had lost a lot of weight, and this is I had lost the weight before I started coming to the gym, but I came to the gym to keep my exercise up because my schedule at work had changed and I couldn't exercise in the park like I usually would do. And this is the original gym. But let me tell you, the gym that I finished working out at before the pandemic, right before the pandemic hit, was another Planet Fitness, and it is way better. It was brand new, and it is so much better. Like, their changing rooms have doors, which I thought after all these years, I thought this one would have doors, but they don't. They still have curtain, they still have shower curtain things that you pull. I don't like that, okay? I did not like that. They're still kind of dirty in their bathroom. Like, nothing has changed at this gym, and it's been, oh my gosh, it's been years, and this gym is still the exact same. Everything's in the exact same location. The bathroom's still nasty. They still don't have doors on the little changing rooms. Like, I don't know about this. I don't know. I mean, I wouldn't be coming here but like once or twice a week anyways, because I'm going to be working out at the gym at my job. Which, y'all probably like, why you ain't working out there? I don't have... My badge do not let me in that gym. So I have to wait till like my sister work, or either one of my other coworkers. I gotta go off of when they work so they can let me in. So yeah, but anyways, y'all, I'm finna go. I'm out of here. All right, hello, good morning, y'all. Look who I'm working out with. It's all shaky, sorry y'all, I'm holding y'all. I was trying to be on here. Doesn't she look cute? And look at her shoes. She in her work boots, y'all. She doing it with her boots.
No excuses.
No excuse, she forgot her shoes, y'all. We just getting off of work. We're at work in the work gym. As y'all were seeing on the other clip, I said, I can only get in, she can only let me in here. I don't have access. My badge do not work for whatever reason. But yeah, we're getting it, y'all. Woo-hoo.
We getting it in.
So yeah,
I can't wait till we're on week 2, week 5, dude.
that's gonna be awesome.
Week 8. Let's get it.
So yeah, y'all, this gym just got renovated. So look at our treadmills, really nice, touch screen.
Oh yeah.
Got Peloton over there. I'll show y'all that later. Yeah, it's getting hot. I don't even know if they got the AC on. You know they be having it off.
Yeah, they be having it off in the gym so you can sweat.
All right, y'all. Just want to say good morning. We're working out. My workout buddy, your fit is so cute.
Yeah.
That is so cute.
Yeah, it was under my uniform, y'all. Don't judge.
Yeah, it was under her work uniform, and I'm over here with a whole bag. Y'all know I carry it all.
I was like, okay, let's go.
All right, y'all. We're getting it in. Be back.
Staring a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes.
Baby, what you need me by the beat. Early, baby, later, you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. In the city, you know I need kisses, slow. 30 degrees, way too cold, so only time. Will I see you at the show tonight?
I'm letting God handle all things above me. The things I can't change are the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear.
What's up, y'all? So I just rushed, got ready in like 15 minutes, okay? I am finna go to a baby reveal, baby gender reveal. My nephew is having another baby, and they're about to find out the gender. So we have to wear the color that we think it's gonna be. So I was originally boy, but I kind of think it's a girl now, but I don't have no pink. I don't have time to be finding pink. So I'm in blue. So I'm team boy. So we're finna go see what the gender is. And my sister's team pink. Look, I'm vlogging. Here she come in her pink. The pink, you can't really tell until she get closer. She's team girl. I'm team boy. I was telling him I think I'm really team girl now, but I don't have time to be finding pink. But maybe I do. I don't know. We're going to talk when I get here. So, yeah, here's my blue and here's her pink. Cute.
Like my workout outfit I had on the other day.
Yeah, it does. Sally said she looked like a cupcake. Bubblegum. And I'm a blueberry, I would say.
Girl, food. I'm smoking a cigarette. They bush, and then I'm going to go.
All right, y'all. So I just wanted to say that. Going to a baby gender reveal. Oh, you almost stepped in that stuff. It's dried up now. So yeah, y'all, I got ready real fast because originally I wasn't going to go because I figured I'd be too tired because, you know, I've been working all day. But just a while ago, 20 minutes ago, I decided and I rushed, took a shower, and this is the results. So anyways, y'all. All right. I'll see y'all in a little bit. All right, y'all. Team girl, team boy. Yeah, we hope we get to see, you know, what the gender is because, you know, Angela gotta go to work and ride with her, and I need to do sleep or get other stuff done. So we'll see. But either way, I'll come and let y'all know, even if we don't witness it there. I hope we do. But yeah. Oh, that's so cool. The pink and
Just to get that moolah.
She said she's recording, yeah.
Hey,
So,
okay, so you're still recording?
yeah, I want to record.
Okay.
Sonny, we team boy. He my little brother, y'all.
Maybe.
Y'all, I don't know why I said little brother. I was trying to say he's my little baby. Y'all, I was tired, so excuse me.
I can get Hillary to record my mom. Can just hold
I know it's not. Team boy. That's yours. That's yours. Oh, we about to start, y'all. We
man,
about
I
to
told
start.
Nana to go in there and get some shoes on. Hope said she don't need no shoes. Neither one of them. Oh, I ain't know they was both out here.
Nanny.
Yeah, I think you're supposed to be out there and getting directions on what you're supposed to be
Ain't
doing.
nobody sit on.
Larry said he is not paying attention.
I'm gonna go get your shoes. There's no more shoes.
Okay, y'all say what's up. What Nephew. Nephew, say what's up. Here's the daddy, y'all. This is daddy right here.
We team boy right now, but I'm not mad if we have a girl, but we team boy right now. You know?
Hey, he team boy, y'all. He team boy. Here's mama right here. And mama, you team girl, of course.
Yes.
Of course. So y'all, we're about to get it started.
Y'all finna boss out the road.
I'll be back.
We doing an takeover.
Here they go.
Christy got caught up in it.
Here they go. Oh God.
Oh, they gonna come down.
Okay, you guys, it was a little confusing, but they did race cars, and whichever car was in the lead was the winner of the baby reveal. So whichever car was in the front and whatever color popped out from that car was the winner. So pay attention to that.
Damn, Zeus, you too cold, bruh. What you doing?
It's both. It's a boy. I mean, it's a girl. I don't know. What is it? What is it? I'm lost, David. What is it? It's a girl. here her name's gonna be, she got the names already.
What's the name gonna be?
Khaleesi, Ivy, Denise Bates. Denise, not Denise.
Is your grandmother? Oh, your mom.
Girl. You ready for another girl? Well, Jamal, sorry to you, boy, and me too.
Well, no,
Jamal. Alright, y'all. It's a girl. It's a girl, y'all. I lost. Team boy lost. We out of there. We out of there. Ah. It's like, you know, the sunny version. Yeah.
I'm so excited. I can't wait to see the girl. She's gonna be so cute.
She is. Where'd that car go?
Girl, you gotta learn.
Hey, nephew. A girl. You got a girl, y'all. He better go put a pink shirt on. Put that pink shirt on, nephew.
Pray for my pockets.
Pray for my pockets. We're gonna be praying, nephew. We're gonna be praying, man. Oh, wait.
We gonna buy them kids to get their nails done. They ain't gonna go to the salon yet.
Gonna get the kids. You gotta say, it's a girl.
It's a girl.
It's a
I do
girl.
got blue on. Should have pink.
Right. Shoot.
Yeah,
And David, what you say it was?
I said a boy.
Same here, so we lost. We out of there. You sure do got the pink on you. Sonny, what you think about this?
Well, I went to
Monte,
and then I had to.
what you got to say?
Yeah, I
When I
tried.
figured it out, then
I tried my hardest.
But yeah.
I feel like I came out here and failed everybody, you know?
You feel everybody? Now you got the shirt on, so you didn't fail. You won. Sonny, what you think? You got another sister, another Cece.
But I don't wonder what was going on.
Wait, look at this. He confused me. Y'all thought, is it a girl?
So I said the one who won.
It's a girl. So it's a girl. Hey you guys, what's good? I realized I never did do a ending to this vlog. So yeah, it's days later. I just came from the gym, got off of work, went to the gym. I'm tired, but I said let me come and conclude this vlog. So yeah, the last clip y'all saw, I was at my nephew's baby gender reveal. Okay, and as you saw, if you didn't understand, it's gonna be a girl. It's gonna be a girl. Okay, so yeah, it was cool. It was a little confusing. The way they did it was a little confusing because they popped pink and they popped blue, but it's a girl. Long story short, it's a girl, y'all. And so that's that, y'all. And also, as you see, we've been consistent, me and my sisters. I have been consistent with exercising. If I didn't tell y'all, my two sisters, Angela, the one y'all saw me working out with, and then my other sister, Gracie, in Chicago, we are all on like a weight loss challenge for 2 months, for April and May. So we've been getting it in, okay? But anyways, y'all, I'm tired, okay? I'm always tired. I was tired earlier in the vlog where I was calling my great nephew my brother. Like, why did I say that? Why did I say he's my little brother? I'm losing it. I was trying to say he's my little baby. I never even noticed that I said that until I started re-watching to edit the vlog. I was like, little brother. What? Yeah, and then my voiceover, I was tired too, y'all, so excuse me, I sound rough and manly. I literally was tired and I woke up and did the voiceover, so I was like, anyways, y'all, I'm out, so I will see y'all on the next vlog, all right? Peace out, be safe, Holla.
You'll see what you used to. Knowing exactly what you used to.